The Force of Discipline Yourself by Jordan Peterson. Jordan Peterson's concept of self-discipline, as outlined in his book 12 Rules for Life, An Antidote to Chaos, emphasizes the importance of taking responsibility for one's own life and making disciplined choices to achieve personal goals. Peterson argues that self-discipline is crucial for personal growth and well-being, suggesting that by adhering to rules and routines, individuals can create order and meaning in their lives. He often relates this to broader principles of responsibility, setting boundaries, and facing challenges head-on. Do you find his perspective on discipline resonant or helpful? An Antidote to Chaos. His insights into self-discipline can be summarized as follows. In Jordan Peterson's view, taking responsibility is a cornerstone of self-discipline and personal growth. Here's a more detailed look at what this means. Own your choices. Peterson stresses that you should take full ownership of your actions and decisions. Rather than blaming external factors or other people for your circumstances, acknowledging that you have control over your choices empowers you to make positive changes. Accept the consequences. Responsibility involves accepting the consequences of your actions, both good and bad. By doing so, you can learn from your experiences and improve. Focus on what you can control. Instead of being overwhelmed by what you can't change, focus on aspects of your life where you have influence. This might be your behavior, attitude, or responses to situations. Improve yourself. Taking responsibility is also about personal development. By recognizing areas where you can improve, you can work on becoming a better version of yourself. Build trust and integrity. When you take responsibility for your actions, you build trust with others and demonstrate integrity. This strengthens relationships and fosters respect. Face your problems. Avoiding or ignoring problems only makes them worse. Taking responsibility means confronting issues head-on and seeking solutions. Peterson argues that this sense of responsibility leads to greater fulfillment and success because it aligns with the idea of creating order in one's life and making deliberate, purposeful choices. Does this approach to responsibility align with your own experiences or beliefs? Setting clear goals is another key aspect of self-discipline, according to Jordan Peterson. Here's how he suggests approaching this. Define specific objectives. Goals should be precise and well-defined. Instead of vague aspirations like, I want to be healthier, specify what that means, such as, I will exercise for 30 minutes every day. Break down goals. Large goals can be overwhelming. Breaking them into smaller, manageable tasks can make them more achievable and less daunting. For instance, if your goal is to write a book, start with writing a certain number of words each day. Create a plan. Develop a structured plan outlining how you will achieve your goals. This includes setting deadlines, establishing milestones, and determining the resources or actions needed. Monitor progress. Regularly review your progress towards your goals. This helps you stay on track and make necessary adjustments to your plan. Stay committed. Consistency is crucial. Even when motivation wanes, adhering to your plan and maintaining effort is essential for achieving your goals. Adjust as needed. Goals and circumstances can change. Be flexible and willing to adjust your goals or strategies based on new information or evolving priorities. Celebrate achievements. Recognize and celebrate when you reach milestones or achieve your goals. This reinforces your commitment and provides motivation for future objectives. By setting clear goals and following a structured approach, you create a roadmap for success that can guide your actions and maintain focus. Does this approach to goal setting resonate with you or your personal experiences? Developing routines is a fundamental part of Jordan Peterson's approach to self-discipline. Here's a deeper look into why routines are important and how to establish them effectively. Create structure. Routines provide a structured framework for your daily life, which can help you manage time more effectively and reduce decision fatigue. This structure helps ensure that important tasks and activities are consistently addressed. Build good habits. Regular routines help in forming and reinforcing positive habits. By performing actions at specific times and in specific ways, these actions become automatic and require less mental effort over time. Increase productivity. Having a routine can boost productivity by allocating specific times for work, exercise, and relaxation. This reduces the likelihood of procrastination and helps you stay focused on your tasks. Reduce stress. A well-structured routine can minimize stress by creating predictability and reducing the need to make frequent decisions about what to do next. This can lead to a more balanced and manageable daily life. Prioritize important activities. Routines help ensure that you allocate time for important activities, such as exercise, meal planning, and personal development, rather than letting these areas be neglected. Adapt and refine. While routines provide structure, they should also be adaptable. Periodically assess and refine your routines to ensure they continue to serve your goals and adapt to changes in your life. Establish consistency. Consistency in routines helps maintain stability and progress. Even on days when motivation is low, sticking to your routine can help keep you moving forward. To develop effective routines, start by identifying key areas of your life that need structure, such as work, exercise, or personal time. Then, create a daily or weekly schedule that incorporates these activities. Over time, make adjustments as needed to improve efficiency and balance. Does this approach to developing routines align with your own strategies or challenges in managing daily tasks? Facing challenges head-on is a crucial aspect of Jordan Peterson's philosophy on self-discipline. Here's why this approach is significant and how you can apply it. Build resilience. Confronting challenges directly helps build mental and emotional resilience. Each time you face a difficult situation, you learn to handle adversity, which strengthens your ability to cope with future obstacles. Develop problem-solving skills. Facing challenges encourages you to think critically and develop problem-solving skills. By addressing issues proactively, you can find solutions and adapt more effectively. Avoid escalation. Ignoring or avoiding problems often leads to their escalation. Addressing challenges as they arise can prevent them from becoming more complex and overwhelming. Gain confidence. Successfully tackling challenges boosts your confidence and sense of accomplishment. This can reinforce your belief in your abilities and motivate you to take on new challenges. Learn and grow. Each challenge provides an opportunity for growth and learning. By engaging with difficulties, you gain insights and experience that contribute to your personal development. Stay committed. Facing challenges requires commitment and perseverance. This determination helps maintain focus on your goals and keeps you moving forward despite setbacks. Seek support. While facing challenges head-on is important, it's also valuable to seek support when needed. Reaching out for help or advice can provide additional perspectives and resources for overcoming obstacles. Reflect and adapt. After facing a challenge, take time to reflect on what you've learned and how you can improve your approach in the future. This reflection helps refine your strategies and prepares you for future challenges. Applying this principle involves embracing difficulties as opportunities for growth rather than avoiding them. By actively addressing problems and learning from the experience, you strengthen your ability to navigate life's complexities. Avoiding procrastination is a key element in Jordan Peterson's approach to self-discipline. Here's a breakdown of how to effectively combat procrastination. Understand the cause. Identify the underlying reasons for procrastination. It could be fear of failure, perfectionism, lack of interest, or feeling overwhelmed. Understanding the root cause can help you address it more effectively. Set clear and manageable goals. Break tasks into smaller, more manageable steps. This makes the task less daunting and easier to start. Clear goals provide direction and can make it easier to begin working on them. Create a schedule. Establish a structured plan or timetable for your tasks. Setting specific deadlines and time blocks for working on tasks can help keep you on track and reduce the tendency to delay. Use the 2-minute rule. If a task will take less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. This helps reduce the accumulation of small tasks and creates momentum for larger tasks. Eliminate distractions. Identify and minimize distractions in your environment. Create a workspace that is conducive to focus and productivity, and consider using tools or techniques to block distracting websites or notifications. Implement the Pomodoro technique. Work in focused intervals, such as 25 minutes, followed by a short break. This technique can help maintain concentration and make tasks feel more manageable. Reward yourself. Use positive reinforcement to stay motivated. Reward yourself for completing tasks or making progress. This can help build a habit of following through on your commitments. Address perfectionism. Understand that perfectionism can lead to procrastination. Aim for progress rather than perfection, and accept that mistakes are a natural part of the process. Stay accountable. Share your goals and deadlines with someone who can help keep you accountable. This could be a friend, family member, or colleague. Reflect and adjust. Regularly review your progress and reflect on what strategies are working or not. Adjust your approach as needed to stay on track. Procrastination often stems from a combination of psychological factors and practical challenges. By implementing these strategies, you can build habits that make it easier to start and complete tasks in a timely manner. How do these strategies align with your experiences or current efforts to manage procrastination? Practicing self-care is a crucial aspect of Jordan Peterson's approach to self-discipline and overall well-being. Here's how focusing on self-care can enhance your life. Physical health, regular exercise, proper nutrition, and adequate sleep are fundamental to maintaining physical health. These practices improve energy levels, mood, and overall functionality. Mental health. Engaging in activities that reduce stress and promote mental well-being is essential. This could include mindfulness practices, meditation, or seeking professional support when needed. Healthy boundaries. Setting boundaries helps manage stress and prevent burnout. Learn to say no when necessary and prioritize activities that align with your values and goals. Rest and recovery. Allow yourself time to relax and recover. Taking breaks and engaging in hobbies or leisure activities can recharge your energy and prevent burnout. Self-compassion. Practice self-compassion by treating yourself with kindness and understanding, especially during difficult times. Avoid harsh self-criticism and acknowledge your efforts and achievements. Personal growth. Invest time in activities that promote personal growth, such as learning new skills, pursuing interests, or engaging in creative outlets. This contributes to a sense of fulfillment and purpose. Social connections. Maintain meaningful relationships with friends and family. Positive social interactions provide emotional support and enhance overall well-being. Routine maintenance. Incorporate self-care practices into your daily or weekly routine. Consistency helps make self-care a regular part of your life rather than an afterthought. Reflect on needs. Regularly assess your needs and adjust your self-care practices accordingly. Self-care is not a one-size-fits-all approach. It should be tailored to what works best for you. Celebrate achievements. Recognize and celebrate your successes and milestones. This reinforces positive behaviors and helps maintain motivation. Self-care is about taking proactive steps to maintain your well-being, which in turn supports your ability to handle challenges and pursue goals effectively. By prioritizing self-care, you build a stronger foundation for both personal and professional success. How does this approach to self-care fit with your current practices or goals? Adhering to principles is a central theme in Jordan Peterson's philosophy. Here's why it's important and how to implement it effectively. Define your values. Identify and clarify the core values and principles that guide your life. These might include honesty, integrity, responsibility, or respect. Knowing what you stand for helps you make consistent decisions. Align actions with values. Ensure that your daily actions and decisions reflect your core principles. This alignment fosters authenticity and helps you stay true to yourself. Establish boundaries. Principles help set clear boundaries in relationships and situations. By adhering to your values, you can navigate interactions and decisions with a clear sense of what is acceptable and what is not. Make consistent decisions. When faced with difficult choices, use your principles as a guide. This consistency can lead to greater trust from others and a stronger sense of self-respect. Promote integrity. Adhering to principles reinforces personal integrity. Being consistent in your values and actions enhances your credibility and reliability. Build trust and respect. When others see that you consistently adhere to your principles, it builds trust and respect in your relationships and professional interactions. Reflect and reassess. Periodically reflect on your principles to ensure they still align with your values and goals. Reassess and adjust if necessary, but maintain a commitment to core principles. Handle conflicts. Use your principles to navigate conflicts and challenges. They provide a stable foundation for making difficult decisions and resolving issues in a way that aligns with your values. Led by example. Adhering to principles not only benefits you but also serves as a positive example for others. It can inspire those around you to uphold similar values. Stay true in adversity. Upholding your principles especially during challenging times, reinforces resilience and commitment. It helps you stay grounded and focused on what truly matters. By adhering to principles, you create a strong ethical framework that guides your actions and decisions. This approach fosters consistency, trust, and personal integrity. How do these ideas about principles resonate with your own experiences or beliefs? Embracing order and cleanliness is a key aspect of Jordan Peterson's approach to creating a disciplined and productive life. Here's how focusing on these aspects can benefit you and some practical steps to implement them. Create a functional environment. An organized and clean environment helps you stay focused and reduces distractions. It can make tasks feel more manageable and less overwhelming. Establish routines. Develop routines for maintaining cleanliness and order. Regularly declutter your space, clean your surroundings, and keep things organized to avoid a buildup of mess. Designate spaces. Assign specific places for items and keep them there. This reduces the time spent searching for things and helps maintain a sense of order. Implement systems. Use organizational systems, such as storage solutions or digital tools, to keep track of tasks, deadlines, and important documents. This enhances efficiency and reduces stress. Practice minimalism. Simplify your environment by reducing unnecessary items. A minimalist approach can help you focus on what truly matters and prevent the accumulation of clutter. Maintain personal hygiene. Regular personal care and hygiene contribute to overall well-being. It fosters a sense of self-respect and contributes to a positive self-image. Prioritize time management. Order and cleanliness extend to how you manage your time. Create schedules, set priorities, and use time management techniques to stay organized and productive. Create a positive atmosphere. A clean and orderly environment can enhance your mood and motivation. It creates a more pleasant and conducive space for work and relaxation. Reflect and adjust. Periodically assess your environment and routines to ensure they meet your needs. Make adjustments as necessary to improve organization and efficiency. Encourage a culture of cleanliness. If you live or work with others, promote a culture of cleanliness and order. Share responsibilities and encourage habits that contribute to a tidy environment. By focusing on order and cleanliness, you create a supportive environment that fosters productivity and reduces stress. It also helps you maintain a clear mind and stay focused on your goals. How do these ideas about order and cleanliness align with your current practices or goals? Peterson's approach to discipline is about creating a structure that fosters personal growth and helps individuals lead more meaningful lives. Does any of this particularly stand out to you?